Denied a claim for your mortgage insurance. Nainesh Kotak from Kotak Law joins us with more on what to do. And there's a real difference in mortgage insurance between what the banks sell and what insurance companies sell.
Exactly. So often, when you get a mortgage, it's almost a last-minute request from your mortgage broker, even from the teller or over the phone. Hey, would you like mortgage insurance? In other words, it pays life insurance or critical illness. And sometimes people go for that. My preference is to steer people towards regular insurance companies that are in the business of selling insurance and deal with a broker who can explain the options to you. Because there's differences in the policy. Under the bank policies, when you get for mortgage insurance, the beneficiary is the bank. It just pays out your mortgage. So you got a set premium, which often is high. And as you pay down your mortgage, the payout is less and less, and your beneficiaries don't get it. On the other hand, with private insurance, whether it's Manulife, Desjardins, Canada Life, Sun Life, or the usual insurers who sell these products, there's often a return of premium after a certain age, so you get your money back that you've paid. They also cover more illnesses, and for life insurance, your beneficiary gets, who you designate gets the money, and for your critical illness, you get the money so you can pay for your treatment. And I do think there's less denials. I mean, there are denials under both ways of looking at it, but there's less when you buy from a private insurer through an insurance broker because they're doing a proper physical, they're doing a blood test, so they're going to catch some of the pre-existing conditions that you may have. With the mortgage insurance, what happens, they ask about 6 questions, and they're often very vague, and very low. Have you had any tests for any disorder? And people, people forget. Maybe they had something 2 years ago and they forgot about it. And then ultimately, they often get denied for misrepresentation when the claim is made. And there's no physical done. They just, and often I find the questions are not explained well to the person buying the insurance. So my recommendation, banks may not appreciate it, but if you do need critical illness insurance, you do need life insurance. These are things that are going to help you in case you get ill and help your beneficiaries.
Your mortgage, yeah.
And then your beneficiary can make a decision what they would like to do. If they want to pay the mortgage off, do they want to sell the house? And if you have critical illness insurance, you're going to get a lump sum payment from an insurer. You could use it for your treatment, or you can pay off your mortgage. So a much better way to go about things is to buy from the traditional insurance companies these products, as opposed to the last-minute decision, being pressured by a bank last minute. Hey, by the way, I got a good deal for you. I can give you mortgage insurance for this. Go the other way.
Because is there a pressure by some to think, well, I have to take this insurance, otherwise I'm not going to get my mortgage?
Yes, and I think people may feel that, but there's never that requirement. You qualify for your mortgage based on your financial situation, not on your health. Right, so I don't think people should feel pressured. I think they should compare. Certainly when you're getting the mortgage and you realize you're now going more into debt in a certain way, consult an insurance broker. Consult an insurance company. Hey, look, I just want to make sure if I'm sick that I'm going to, get money back, or if I pass away that my beneficiary will get money when they can make a decision to what to do with the house. So I do think this type of insurance needs to be bought, but not from the bank when you're pushed that last second, hey, do you want this mortgage insurance? Go the traditional insurance company way.
We've got about 30 seconds left, but you were telling me before the break that you see a lot of these cases of denial from the banks.
I do, and again, it's because, they ask about 5 or 6 basic questions that are very open-ended. And remember this, if you buy a bank insurance policy or any insurance policy, disability or life, if you claim within 2 years of coverage, they don't have to show fraud. As any misrepresentation can void the contract. After 2 years, they have to show that there was fraud involved or that you had reckless disregard for the truth.
Okay. All right, Nainesh, always great to have you on the show. Thanks very much. We'll get all the links up on our website, chch.com.